Looking for staples that can handle everything from roofing underlayment to fine furniture upholstery? These heavy-duty staples are built for action, making them the go-to choice for all your toughest stapling jobs. Whether you're installing insulation or crafting, they deliver a reliable, firm hold every time. What sets these staples apart? They're engineered specifically for use with arrow staple guns, pneumatic tools, and hammer tackers. Compatible with popular models like the T50 staple gun, 5700 PowerShot, PT50 pneumatic staple gun, and HT50 hammer tacker, they fit seamlessly into your existing toolkit. Crafted from heavy-duty steel, these staples offer long-lasting durability. The sturdy construction means you won't have to worry about staples bending or breaking under pressure. This quality ensures your projects stay secure, no matter the material: wood, fabric, carpet, or more. Precision is key here. The staples feature sharp points designed to drive deep into base materials, providing a firm grip that lasts. This deep drive prevents loosening over time, so your work remains intact and professional looking, even under demanding conditions. Measuring 3/8 inch in both leg length and crown width, these staples are sized to fit perfectly with a wide range of arrow tools. From the T50X to the HT55BL, compatibility is broad, making it easy to switch staples without fuss or frustration. One user shared their experience. Despite having an older and a newer arrow staple gun, the staples worked flawlessly in the older model, which never missed a beat. If you've struggled with jams or misfires, trying these staples with a reliable tool might be the solution you need. If you're ready to upgrade your stapling game, these heavy-duty staples are worth a look. They combine strength, precision, and compatibility to keep your projects secure and professional. Try them when you're ready to tackle your next job with confidence.